Okay, night before last I was out here and I heard a screech, and it was a cicada giving out its dying breath, and I saw it flop over here, and there's lots of cicadas around here in June, and so I came out here the next day, and I expected the ants to be eating it, and I saw ants all around it, so I just presumed the ants were eating the cicada. But lo and behold, here are the ants burying the cicada. They're not eating it. They haven't touched it at all. This is the third day these ants have been out here, and they're burying this cicada. And it looks like they even have a little work pile that they've been getting supplies from. You can hear a cicada kicking up right now. I'm a little bit dumbfounded. See if I can get a little closer here without scaring the ants. See them moving blades of grass along. This to me is just incredible. I don't know why they would bury the cicada instead of consume it. I thought, well, maybe they're going to build up a new ant bed around it and use it for food. But if you look here, this is soft, really fine red sand and dirt, and they've used this sand and dirt to build numerous little ant hills around here before. And the ant hill they're actually coming from is over there, and there's no reason for them to not use that for the basis of their ant hill, and yet they've chosen grass, light grass and twigs for this. And I don't know if you can notice it from this side. It actually dug out from under the cicada to do this. I have to go to work here in a little while, so I'm not going to get to see their progress until later tonight. I'll probably make a follow-up video tomorrow. I've never seen ants do this before. Any comments or questions, just leave them. If anybody else has seen anything like this, just tell me.